Hey guys, welcome back. Got a quick minute for a video on this Jeep. Let us know what you think about the audio, please. Doing something a little different with the mics and our camera here / phone. So this Jeep right here is an incredible looking Jeep sitting on 40s. I want you guys to notice something that's a wee bit different. Yes, 8-lug Dana 60, Super 60 Dana Spicer axles, front and rear converted on this Jeep. We have not had a chance to detail this thing up yet, but those are complete crate axles. If you've never seen those before, they actually come in what looks like a coffin. Yeti steering upgrade. Yes, those are fog lights. They are mounted to the knuckles, so they actually turn when the wheel and tire turns. So I guess, you know, for off-roading and rock crawling, pretty practical. Front bumper that's set up for a winch. Custom drive shafts front and back. Skyjacker suspension lift. And again, we will be detailing this truck. We just have not had time to do it yet, but you can see it is clean. So further past that, this Jeep's only got 25,000 miles. We sold it with 19,000 miles to a local woman that just fell in love with it. She's never off-roaded it. She's never put it in full-wheel drive. She bought this Jeep for the looks, which is a little upsetting because of the fact it's so darn practical. This thing is ready to put to use. Off-road, mud, whatever you want to use it for. Just imagine you Jeep guys, if you had 8 lugs under your Jeep, you wouldn't snap axles, you wouldn't twist tubes. So many things would be so much better. She did add a couple little lights down bottom. As a matter of fact, she's so particular, she even has spares right here. Inside's clean. Again, we need to go over and give it a quick detail. 25,411 miles. The coolest part about this Jeep, you would expect it to be riddled with check engine light, ABS light, traction control light, all of those things. But yet it has none of those things. Everything is hooked up proper, like it's supposed to be. All the wiring is intact, as it is supposed to be. Did add the side steps, which are pretty nice. The bed cover, also pretty nice. Gladiator. Car cover, full fitted car cover. Rear view camera, tow hitch. And then of course the removable soft top. So this is basically a 4-door pickup truck Jeep. Obviously that's what the Gladiators are. But if you want to rock the top off, have a convertible, you can. The windows, a little bit dark. May not work for every state. Check your state laws for that. We can't answer that. I don't know. But a really cool, well-built Jeep. Throw you a winch on there, throw you some other little, you know, doodads. Skyjacker arms in the back. Custom shafts front and back. Clean undercarriage. Again, this thing has not been beat on. Whoever built it obviously built it just to spend money. You guys are like, wow. You get customers that spend crazy amounts of money on things. Yes, we do. Next video to drop talks all about that because we get a ton of people that just comment on things and hate on things. And again, we've said it once, we'll say it 1,000 times. If we can't bag it up, we're not going to mention it. But yes, we have customers that trucks are their hobby. There's no reason to hate on them. If they got a lot of money and they want to spend it, great. We take care of them. If we didn't take care of them, they wouldn't come back. We've got customers that have bought 20, 30, 40 vehicles from us over time. Yeah, their needs change. Their wants change. What they're into changes. Some of us change in hobbies like baseball cards. Some change in hobbies like cars. Some do houses and other things, you know. It's all in what you're into. But we love trucks. Trucks are what we do. So yes, we have a lot of hobbyists that love our truck inventory. So that being said, great Jeep, ton of money spent, priced almost exactly as it would be priced if it was bone stock underneath. Going for a fresh inspection and oil change, and it will be ready to rock. Matter of fact, we're going to send it to the Jeep dealer and see if we can confuse them. Hopefully we get a chance to capture a little bit of video dropping it off. Might even ask them for some differential services and see what they come back with. Always wanted to do that, try to confuse them, especially on like a motor swap or something like that on some of these vehicles. But unfortunately, when we do it, we don't have time to capture it a lot of times. But a beautiful Jeep Gladiator, I want to say Wrangler. Jeep Gladiator for sale, guys, on the website. One of 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th Gladiator we currently have. One of them is not posted with a supercharger, and 2 pretty much bone stock with moderate lifts. All good mileage, all in stock, even a 392 Wrangler. Davis Drives on YouTube, Davis Auto Sales in Richmond, Virginia. Thanks for watching this morning.